Welcome back to Archive. Today we're diving into the future of architecture, where a small studio harnesses the power of AI to compete with industry giants. Imagine transforming your workflow in just 60 seconds with Midjourney and Revit. Picture a small architecture studio struggling against the heft of larger firms. They face the challenge of speed and resource limitations. But what if AI could level the playing field? Enter Midjourney and Revit. With Midjourney, gain AI-driven design inspiration, while Revit enables detailed precision. Together, these tools empower rapid iteration like never before. First, let's set up Midjourney. Start by inputting your project briefs. Watch as AI generates concepts that align perfectly with your vision, giving you a creative head start. Now, seamlessly import these AI-generated concepts into Revit. See how effortlessly your ideas transition into detailed 3D models, ready for development. With your models in Revit, explore rapid iteration. Use AI's suggestions to refine your designs, quickly exploring multiple options and selecting the best path forward. Finally, gather client and team feedback directly in Revit. AI helps integrate these insights swiftly, ensuring your designs meet expectations without missing a beat. And there you have it. This small studio, now a contender, wins a major project thanks to AI-driven efficiencies. Imagine what you can achieve. Download link in description. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Archive for more AI-driven architecture insights. Empower your creativity and stay ahead of the curve.